part 2, I guess, of opening Pokemon. Excited? So we got a lot of cool things. One of our trainers was really cool that we've gotten. And we have 6 left. So we only went through 2 because we had 8. And I'm going to open this one next. And I'm actually really excited for it. Oh, it's another one of these packages. Pretty cool. I like how these packages are coming. I'm gonna get some scissors. Yeah, cheese. You can throw it away. Maybe. If you know how to, just saying. Thank you. Let me just cut off my hair. Oh god, it got on my shirt. Okay. Yeah, right here. Oh, okay. So this, I've seen a version of this guy. So I got Wiglet. And this is from Diglett, and he has 60 health. One of his attacks is called Rain Splash. Jeez, man, if I was him, I'd be going and seeing what's all the... I'd be like, I don't know, seeing if I could make a light with my nose or something. Lit off the red-nosed reindeer. Wow, what I just saw in here blew my mind. If I ever get a gold, I'm going to be super happy. I need a binder, though. Okay, so the next one we got is Snuckle. His 80 health, one of his attacks is called Guard Press, and only does 30 damage. Okay, next card. Trying to get this fast. This guy's named Bishop. Okay. He has 110 health. One of his attacks is called Metal Claw. Does 20 damage. And then one of them is called Furry Cutter, which is... Oh my! Wait, does that do 20 plus 60 plus 120 with 50? So it's 50 plus 20 plus 60 plus 120. What is that? What is that? Yeah, I think that's more than what I should be counting. I don't know what that is. Ooh, okay. Let's get this guy. And when I heard that, I bet that was super good. So I think that guy could be good for fights, but I just want to get rare guys. That's really all. Magneton. Has 90 health. It's the electric type. Wait. Do we have the first? No, we don't. Evolved from... We do! It was like in our first package. Gotta find it though. Need that book that Kevin got, bro. Where's Magnite? Energy switch, but I don't care. I don't know where he go. Dude, where is this card? I 100% know I had it. I actually can't find it. Well, I know I have it because I read it and then I heard it. So yeah. So we got Magneton. Yeah. One of its attacks is called Tackle. 30 damage. Another one's called Electro Ball, which does 60 damage. Ooh. Wait, what is this? Ooh, this guy's not weaknesses. Aw. Okay. Well, I'm gonna keep this one out because okay, I got another Sharpedo and another whoa, okay, I'm gonna block that so you guys don't see that. And I got an Espeon. By the way, this has been the funnest video I've ever created. Oh god. Wait. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at this! Look at one of the cards I got. Look. It's an EX. An EX is like really good.
That's so awesome, dude.
Oh my god. Oh, okay, you guys are in for a treat. Okay, so this guy's called Darampia. He has 120 health, and I don't know what this symbol is. Like, what symbol is that? It's like green and like flying thing. Okay, so one of the attacks is called Outrage. It says 60 plus, but says this attack does 10 more damage for each encounter, so that would be 70. 70 attack or 70 damage. But you can't believe. Okay, you guys are probably gonna be. I'm gonna show this guy before I show a little guy that has. He's pretty close to having a lot of evolutions like Pikachu, but I'm gonna show him after this guy. This guy is called Undino. Arundino. He has 100 HP, and one of his things is called Find a Friend. Search your deck for a Pokemon, reveal it, and put it into your hand, then shuffle your deck. And then another one's called Slap, which is 80 damage. That's pretty good slap then. Okay, and then our next guy is we got Charmander. He has 60 health, and one of his attacks are called a Heat Tackle, which does 30 damage. And then I'm not going to show you like the best guy I've ever gotten. I'm going to show him after this. A Basic Energy, and now this is I think this is fighting style. And now you guys are going to be surprised with what I just got. Okay, so it evolves from Varoom. I don't have Varoom yet, but he's Reva Varoom EX. EX is like amazing. It is so good, and his health is 280. One of his attacks does 170. It's called Wild Drift. This is 100% the best Pokemon I've ever gotten. I'm showing this to my brother.
But you need to pause it when you walk away from it, bro.
Yeah. Oh, wait, I can't pause it. Hey, Dylan, look what I just got. I just got an EX. Yes. I think it's pretty rare. Look. EX.
Okay, those are from his customer. I used to collect Pokemon cards that look like that. I would sell them.
Oh, really? So this is really strong?
I would sell them. I'd sell them for like $50. So
Wow.
if you ever buy more packs, they're available. I sell them for $50.
Wow. So I can just get $50 from this. Okay, I need to tell Google something. Hey Google, how rare is an EX Pokemon card?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Hey Google, how rare is a Pokemon that says EX on it?
On the website infinite.tcgplayer.com, they say, if a Pokemon card's rarity symbol is a black or white star, it's at least a rare. Check if any parts of the card have a holographic foil. If no part of the card is foil, or if every part of the card except the art is foil, then it's a normal rare.
Is
To find
this?
out more, look for the link in your Google Home or Google Assistant app.
And it said if there's like foil around it or something.
Well, foil, yes.
Okay, yes, then I
Well,
gotta.
No, I don't know. But the X that you're talking about, are you talking about that?
Yeah, the EX. That's EX. It's really good. And the EX is like.
Okay, so yes, it probably is a pretty good card, but I don't think it's one of the rare ones because I don't see a star on here.
Stars are really good though.
They are.
It might be a normal rare though. It could be like a good rare or no.
Well, when you're not doing your video, you can Google it.
I just did. Well, guys, that's crazy how I just got this. But yeah, this is 1,000,000,000% my best thing I've ever gotten. Okay, so now we got 6, I think. Oh, no. 4? We only have 4 in there? Yeah, I guess we only have 4 right now. Still, doing these are... Ooh, okay. By the way, the rarest card is a Pikachu Illustrator, or whatever it's called. God, this one's hard to get out. Ooh! This guy's actually one of the best characters in Pokemon. He's one of the strongest. Oh wait, yeah, I got scissors. Gotta be careful for this. Full of fun. Yeah, so. Ooh. And yeah, I gotta take out this live because it's not like an actual like card really. It is a card, but it's not like the cards that you think that you'd want to get. Okay, we got Magaton, which goes for Magnemite. And he has 90 health, does 20 damage, and, well, one of his attacks is called Lightning Ball that does 20 damage, another one's called Explosion that does 90 damage. Oh, that's bad. Because it also does 90 damage to itself, and it only has 90 health. So that's bad. If you don't want to get rid of this card, just don't use that ability, I guess. Okay, well, that's another one of those guys. We're going to have to leave the EX at the top, though. I don't even care. This EX is staying at the top until I get something better, somehow.
And
Mm-hmm.
your burger's about to be done.
Okay.
How many more packs do you have left?
3, I think. Yeah, this is pretty crazy. Oh, so guys, we got
Oh, what do you want on your burger, Asher? Like, what type of sauce?
Oh. I want mayonnaise and ketchup. Well, no, yeah, mayonnaise and ketchup. I thought I said mayonnaise and ranch for a sec. Okay. So we got Crawl Ister, and then it evolves from Clauncher. This one's called Clauser. Yeah. It has 120 health, and one of its attacks is called Water Gun, does 50 damage. Another one's called Aqua Cannon that does 160. So yeah. But it says during your next turn, this Pokemon cannot attack. Okay, next one. I really hope I get Pikachu on one of these. Pikachu, I really want. Okay. So I got Graveyard. It's a dog that has 70. It's psychic and has 70 health. Oh, whoa. Oh, okay, so there's some Graveyard Gambling. 10x. This attack does 10 damage for each psychic Pokemon in your discard pile. I'll have to eat. Well, this is our next one. Mazchief. He has 80 health, and one of his attacks are called Crunch, and it does 30 damage. That's what he looks like. Woo! I'm super excited to show Kevin what I got. If I get Mega Charizard EX, I'm probably cry. We got a few more. Okay, I'll just show you the basic energy one. I don't even know what those even do. Okay, now this one's called Tatsurgi. And he has 70 health. One of his only attack is called Curl Up, which does 30 attack damage. That's awesome. Ooh, okay, this is a trainer, it's called Nest Ball. I don't know if that's good or not. It might be really good. Oh, I got it. Yay! Well, I'm taking this one out of the pile because it's the exact same one that we got back then. So, I'm going to show you the electric that I just got. It's called Patcherzy. Its only attack does 30 damage. 10 plus. Its attack does 20 more damage. So yeah, that's 30. And yeah, so we got 30 attack damage. Next one's called Buizel. That's a pretty good name. And he has 70 health. And one of his attacks is called Rain Splash. It does 10 damage. Another one's called Razor Fin, which does 20, and that's all of his attacks. Yeah, by the way, he's weak to electric. Ooh, this one looks cool. It's a shiny. Well, it shines. So yeah, his name's called Halucha. He has 70 health. He's a fighting style. His only attack is called Wing Attack, which does 70 damage. So that's good. This is what he looks like. And that's all for that pack. After this one, wait. Yes, do this. This one is a Paradox Rift. It looks like this. Paradox Rift. Huh? Good.
I think mine was this is not too
our next video, we're gonna be doing this. We're gonna be doing the last three.